can book anywhere between 5 to 10 meetings with decision makers for your social media marketing agency or a digital marketing agency with predictability and consistently. So let's do this. What's up, you guys? Basim Malik here, back with another video, and this one is going to be gold for you. If you run a social media marketing agency or a digital agency, you know that how hard it is to get clients, right? And it literally is hard, especially in these times when it's COVID going on. A lot of local businesses just simply cannot open up. But then again, there's a huge opportunity that those local businesses could be shifted online. That's why Facebook came out with Facebook Shops, and that's an attempt from Facebook to help these businesses move online and deliver their services still, and use delivery services. um, for example, if they're restaurants or any local shops, tailors, whatever, take orders online through Facebook Shops and deliver them through delivery services. So they are moving digital. So if you want to be negative, then you can take that as everything is doomed and gone and whatnot. Or if you want to take this as an opportunity, then you can book more meetings than ever with this business, because they really are in pain right now. They've got their businesses shut down and they don't know anything else. They don't have any other skill other than what they've been doing their entire life from 25 to 30 years. So there's more opportunity than in the normal days. And an evidence of that is that you can see in May, then when it was so, when the whole pandemic thing was going on, we've booked more meetings than any other month. So if I go in April, we have less meetings. If we go in March, we have even less meetings. But if we talk about May, and I understood when I understood this concept, and my mentor told me, like, you should not be reclusing or retreating, you should be going out in the market. This is what happened. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can book 5 to 10 meetings every single week, whatever your niche is. And if you're just starting as a new guy who wants to get into social media agency, or you're a freelancer who's looking to get Facebook ads clients or Instagram ads clients, or a digital marketing agency who wants to get clients for SEO and whatnot, I'm going to show you the process, and you can just replicate it in your business. It could work for literally any niche. All right, guys, so these are your commandments, okay, and you are going to live by them. That's how you're going to get 5 to 10 appointments every single week. And by the way, if you want this document, you want a downloadable form of it, just let me know in the comments below. Just enter SMMA or digital agency or whatever. Just put a comment below and let me know you need it. I'll share the link for you. You can download it. All right. So these are the commandments, and you should live by them, and you want to go just as they are listed here. Okay. You don't want to be starting out in any niche and just reaching out to a bunch of different people and trying to run yourself to death, trying to reach everyone. And then every time, because every time if you're reaching out to 5 different people, let's say to tailors, let's say to restaurant owners, gym owners, real estate agents, all those have different needs, right? So you can't be using one script to target all of them. Obviously it wouldn't make sense, they won't respond. Researching 5 different niches, finding out 5 different messaging, it's gonna take a lot of the effort, and you're not gonna get results because you will not be appealing to anyone. So it's important to start with your niche and find your niche, and that is something that you can do, whatever you love to do, whatever you are interested in, that could be your niche. So I don't know what your interests are or who you want to help, but that's how you find your niche. So let's say that in this case our niche is going to be basically gyms. Okay, so we've decided that our niche is gyms. Now the next step is to basically find the decision makers and who are going to be the decision makers. So here gym owners are going to be obviously the decision makers. You don't need to use your brain to think about it. But the reason why I've said decision makers is because a lot of times when you go out to a lot of companies which are big enough, the decision makers are not the owners, but actually CMOs or marketing managers. Most local businesses you reach out to, gym owner or their owners are going to be their decision makers. Now if you can take anything from this video, that you must find their deepest rooted pains. Their deepest rooted pains are not actually getting more leads or getting more brand awareness. Their rooted pains are getting more money. Their businesses have closed down. They are looking for more money or ways how they can regenerate their business and start to get more money. And you reverse engineer from that. So for example, a gym owner whose gym has been shut and people are not coming there, how are they going to make more money, right? And what I think right off top of my head is if they can take their gym online, that means they themselves and then trainers can start giving online sessions. That's how they can generate money. Okay, so just hold that thought into your brain right now. So let's say that gyms they can't open. Okay, they still want to conduct business. What they can do is they can take their gym online. The way they can do it is obviously they can offer fitness sessions and whatnot online. They can also sell their supplements and whatnot online, but let's just be focused towards their fitness business, and they can offer their different fitness programs online. So we found their pain point. They don't need more leads and whatnot. They need more clients who would pay the money for their online sessions. Okay, so when we are going to write messaging that talks about those deep rooted pain points, the formula for that is deepest pain plus things they hate. They hate technology. So I've already written it here. So let's craft our messaging for the gym owners. All right, so let's read through it. Hey John, and John in this case is the gym owner and the decision maker. Hey John, glad to connect with you. We specialize in helping gym owners take their business online and sell fitness sessions to their existing and new customers without any technical skills. That too in 30 days. Would you be interested in learning more? Now, see how different that is if you would reach out to a gym owner saying, "Hey, I can bring you more leads. Hey, I can generate you more leads using Facebook ads." He wouldn't even just listen to you. But if you talk to his deepest rooted pain point and talk in a way that takes him no effort and it can be done within a short amount of period and it can make him a lot of money, his ears would perk up and they would listen to you. So that's how you need to create your messaging is the most important thing, and then you can go on any platform and talk to people and they would just respond. If you're just starting out, I would recommend to you start out with one of the platforms that you like the most. Any platform could be gold for you. But the idea here is if you choose the three big dogs, which is Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, then reach out to 10 people on each platform every single day. And this is I'm saying if you're using no paid services, otherwise you can use extensions and whatnot on LinkedIn or reach out to maybe 50 or 100 people a day. But I'm just saying if you're doing everything manual with absolutely zero money. Okay, so reach out to 10 people on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and I will show you a quick tutorial how you can find your market on all these platforms. It's literally super easy. So let's start with Facebook. Okay, all you have to do is go here and search right gym owners. That's how simple it is. It's gonna give you Gym Owners United, Gym Owners Network, and whatnot. Join these links. Okay, join these basically groups. And what you want to do is when you join these groups, there's going to be some menu items here. All right, that will give you the number of members. So see members, so that will be clickable. So click the members, okay, and see how many of them are basically gym owners. And what you want to do is start adding 10 to 15 people every day. Okay, just start adding 10 to 15 people every day, and whoever basically accepts your request, just shoot them a message with your script. Let's take an example of Brittany here. So Brittany, and we'll just change the name here. We'll call it Brittany, and the rest of the script stays the same. Okay, so add 10 people, 10 to 15 people every day, maybe 10 15 in the morning, 10 15 in the evening. Whoever starts to accept your friend request, just start sending out these messages. Once you're done with Facebook, go on to Instagram. In the search bar, write gym owners. Okay, and you're gonna find hashtags that basically uh, are within your niche. So let's say gym owners, so click on gym owners. Now you have all these people basically, all right, who have used the hashtag gym owner. So you want to click all these people. Okay, click on their profiles, start following them. Okay, so she, as you can see, she's owner of Fitness, SWKS. And what else you can do is just click this down button and then start following these people, because they would also most probably would be gym owners. So start following them, and once they follow you back, or even if they don't follow you back, just send 10 of these people the same script that's here. Okay, again guys, if you want to download this whole document so that you can basically replicate all these curly brackets with your niche and produce kick-ass messaging like this, and then just put a comment below and I'll send you the link to download it. Okay, and also I would really appreciate if you're finding value, please subscribe to my channel, because it gives me another reason to create videos like this and give out value. So please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. So now once you're done with this, go to LinkedIn again, write gym owner, and here it would say gym owner and people. Click people, and whatever your local areas, you can go into all city, all filters, and if you're in Chicago, just select Chicago, click apply, and then you can start connecting with all these people every single day. Connect with 10-20 people, whoever accepts, send them the same message. And that's what you're going to do. You are going to reach out to 10 people every day, either on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Send them these messages. Obviously they're going to reply to you, and you're going to be okay, what time or day works for you, let's book an appointment. Once they book an appointment with them, then you basically start closing the deals. So that's it. That's how it is. The most difficult thing, for example, if you've been watching all these experts, the new shiny shit, the new tactic, or learn this and learn that and whatnot, and it hasn't been working for you, the reason is because any of the methods could literally work, okay? But the reason why you fail and why you don't get appointments is because you are not consistent. Whatever I've told you, just do that every single day. Reach out to 10 people on each platform every single day. You don't need anything else to do. That's all you want to do. Just message people and you will start booking appointments as much as you would like. Okay, so I hope you found value with this video. If you did, click the like button below, put a comment. If you want the document, put a comment below, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell that comes along with it, and I'd love if you subscribe, and share this with your friends and family and whoever needs help, whoever is starting out. Really, I would appreciate if you shared this with them, and I'll see you in the next video.